Assalamu alaikum students. I hope all of you are doing good. Today our topic is ordering length and height. First we will learn about length. Open page 47 of your learner's book. Here we have a line and you can see that this is a straight line, and anything which is in the lying position or horizontal position, we will say that this is the length of that object. Here we have two lines. While comparing these two lines, what you can think that which line is the longer? Yes, the orange line is longer than the yellow line. Now we have one more line, the green line. So what do you think that which line is the longest among these three lines? Let's arrange the lines in order. We can say that yellow is the smallest, so it will come first, then orange, and then green. So we have arranged these lines in our order from smallest to longest. Here we will discuss some examples. Pencil. Here pencil is in the horizontal position or laying position, and a car is also in the laying position. Scale is also in the laying position. Now come to your page 47. Here we have some ribbons, green, red, blue and yellow. If we arrange these ribbons in order from longest to shortest, the red ribbon will come first, then yellow, then green, and at the last the blue one, because blue one is the shortest. Here is a question for you. Here there is a question for you. You have to arrange these ribbons in their correct order. So we will arrange these ribbons in correct order from smallest to the longest. So this ribbon will come first. This is second. This one will be at the third position, and it will be the fourth one. So now we have marked these ribbons in their correct order from smallest to the longest. Now we will discuss the height. For height, I will take an example of a tree. So as you can see, the tree is in the standing position, so we will consider its height. So height is always in the vertical position or in the standing position. Here we will discuss some examples of height, like the height of man, because the man is in the standing position. The height of the Eiffel Tower, because Eiffel Tower is also in the standing position, and same as the height of the tree. Now we will take this example and we will compare the heights of these buildings. Like if I ask you to arrange these buildings in order from shortest to the tallest, so which building will come first? Yes, this purple one will come first, and this pink one will be the second. This blue one will be the third, and the red one will be the fourth. So here I have arranged these buildings in order by marking them. Now come to the page number 48 of your learner's book. Here we have some buildings, and here these buildings are arranged in the correct order from shortest to the tallest. But here there is a question about trees, and they are asking to arrange them in their order. Here we will arrange these trees from tallest to the shortest. So which tree is the tallest? Yes, this tree is the tallest. We will write first over here. Then which tree is the next? Yes, this tree is the next. We will write 2 over here, then third, and then fourth. So we have arranged these trees from tallest to the shortest, and our work is done here. Our lesson is ended here. Do these questions on page number 48 and 47. Allah Hafiz.